Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to talk about Ethereum eRush EER token. What is EER token all about? EER coin is a platform for the future of funding that is built on top of the Ethereum blockchain. It accelerates growth of startup companies by offering tools and services that save both your time and resources. But meanwhile, the basic, you can say the main part, and you can say the highlighted part of EER is this, that it is basically the first ever mineable ERC20 token. What solutions they are offering at this time? At this time, you can see our first basic solution is to help people become master nodes without having technical knowledge and to allow them to do a proof of life while keeping their devices on. Our second solution is to enable the sending of a text in the Ethereum network alongside the memo. Here you have the chance to write and read each and everything on their white paper where you can get knowledge regarding the main platform of Ethereum eRush EER. But before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe my channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon, and also do follow me on all the social media because every day I am sharing number of valuable things regarding crypto in my social media accounts. So what is Ethereum eRush and how you can basically purchase this token EER? Right now it is listed on two basic exchanges, the System Coin and the Coinsbit. Here you can see on the main exchange. Here you can see number of basically BTC is basically, you can say, the volume of this token. I will show you each and everything. Here you can see the number of volume and everything EER in the form of in the basic pair of BTC. You can purchase this token. The last price is only and only 2610 Satoshi. So it is the best chance to grab this token at very low price. So you must have to go over there, and right now you can also buy this token on Coinsbit exchange. Here you can see each and everything regarding the EER network, and the basic thing is this, that very soon you are able to save up to hold your EER coins in their mobile wallet app. That is basically going to come very soon. So that will be entirely profitable for you to hold this token in your personal mobile phone. Here you can also see that how you can basically start mining EER. It is entirely simple. You only need some EER, and also you need 0.20 Ethereum. At this time it will cost you hardly $28 to $30, not more than that. Now what you have to do? Now first of all, you have to see the basic laptop or computer you have on which basically the version of this one mining. You have to download that one. For example, you have for example, your laptop basically admits the Windows 32-bit, then you have to download the first one, otherwise the second one. You have other options. Here you can see the entire structure of EER. Ethereum eRush is the name, and here is the basic symbol of EER. Here comes the contract address, and also you can see the main supply, total supply of EER. So here basically you have the chance to at this time you can basically daily mine up to, you can say, 2000 EER very easily. It is entirely simple for you to basically mine this token. Here you can see become maximum target is 2999 EER. That is such a great thing. If you are going to mine this token, you are able to mine up to 2999 EER every day. So that is such a great thing. So as I told you, you just have to download the main thing, the main software for the mining, and then you can start mining. But the basic thing which you must have, you have to make your own MyEther wallet address first of all, and in that one wallet address you must have 0.20 Ethereum, and you have to take some EER in that. Then you will be able to start mining of EER. The next thing, here you can see the roadmap of this entire platform Ethereum eRush, where you can see each and everything, and whatever they are basically saying in the roadmap, they already did it. Here you can see each and everything that already they are basically listed on Coinsbit, the System Coin exchange. Everywhere they are basically unlisted at this time. Here you can see the entire team members and you can contact them at any time directly on their LinkedIn. You can message them and you can ask whatever you want to ask. And the basic thing of Ethereum eRush is this, that you can find them on all the social media, and you must have to join their social media, because on social media they are available 24/7 and you have the chance to contact them and you can ask whatever you want to ask regarding the platform. So go grab it now. It is your time to mine this token and earn number of money. So go and get it. And if you like my video, kindly hit the like button. And if you have any questions regarding Ethereum eRush EER, you have to basically message me, you have to comment me in the comment section, and I will definitely answer each and every question of yours. Thanks a lot.